In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. There is one thing we are going to talk about. One thing which is totally in our own control. One thing which is totally in our own control, and it has m- more impact upon our life than anything else. One thing having more impact upon our life than anything else is totally in our own control. Isn't it something to be very happy about? Why, by the way? First of all, because there is something which is extremely important on the one hand, and this extremely important thing is totally in our own control. It does not require much of the education. Although education means a lot, education matters a lot. I'm not trying to undervalue the importance of the education, not at all. What actually I mean is that even if somebody is uneducated, even if somebody is uneducated or little educated, yet these people too can do it. That is why I said that it can be done, okay, in quite a good manner with the education, but even without an education, it can be done. It totally rests in our own control. Simply, if at all we are uneducated or little educated, then we need to use our senses in a better way, and we need to seek guidance from someone else as well, or we can look upon the life of those people who are successful enough, who are happy enough. This one thing is our habits. Our habits. Our habits have more and a bigger role to play in the good or bad life of ours as compared to any other thing. I'm not denying the importance of the education. I'm not denying importance of the money. I'm not denying importance of the intelligence, IQ, etc. I'm not denying the importance of luck. All of those things are okay. I am not denying their role, but I am very much confident that as far our habits are concerned, our habits have a bigger role to play in our good or bad life. Whether we are going toward the good life, whether we are moving toward the bad life, it depends totally upon us. I mean, our habits have more to do. Our habits have more to do about the future of our life as compared to any other thing. Provided to us, happiness is more important, satisfaction is more important, self respect is more important, self esteem is more important to us than the things which glitter a lot, but having little role as far our genuine happiness and satisfaction is concerned, as far our self esteem is concerned, as far our stable emotional life is concerned. These things are somewhat invisible and these things are somewhat intangible, but as a matter of fact, the things which I have enlisted, like being more happy, like being more satisfied, like being more content, like having more self respect and self esteem. I believe that our habits have a bigger role to play as compared to the all other things may be combined, because all the things like money, etc., these things are there to impress the other people. But even if at all we have succeeded in impressing the other people, not necessarily we are happy, not necessarily we are content enough, not necessarily we are having enough amount of self respect. And that is why I call it that our habits have a bigger role to play, have a major role to play in our good or bad life, as compared to any other thing which are considered useful or which are considered necessary for the happiness of a human being. As simple as this one. As simple as this one. No complication at all. No complication at all. We must be having a kind of uncompromising attitude as far our habits are concerned. And if at all, that is only possible if at all we know very well the importance of it, the rule of it in our good or bad life. On the other hand, we are somewhat already disciplined, although we need to make ourselves even more disciplined, even exerting more control upon ourselves. And we need to develop a good level of the willpower. As for the willpower is concerned, with the people with the good willpower, it is far easy for them to maintain the good habits. But as for the people of ordinary willpower are slightly above the average willpower, these people have to put continuous effort. Even the people with the good amount and good strength of willpower, even they need to remain constantly aware and constantly watchful about where their habits, what type of habits are they developing. If at all they don't take care, I believe that these the people who are not much careful, not much cautious about their habits, not much careful and cautious about the habits of their children, let me tell you that these people are heading straight toward the failure. These people are moving constantly towards the bad life. We need to protect ourselves, because if at all we are desirous of having a good life, a slightly happy life, and a stable, emotionally stable life, all what is needed is just to develop, is to work very hard upon making of our good habits. Thank you, Jazakallah.